Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add the GamerHash application to the list of exceptions in the ESET NOD32 antivirus. There are only 5 easy steps. Let's go through them together. Step 1. Copy the GamerHash folder path. Step 2. Open the ESET Security desktop app. Now step 3, go to ESET Setup and click on Advanced Setup. Step 4, find exclusions, click on them, and edit the performance exclusions. Step 5, add the folder path you've copied earlier and click OK. Do the same thing with the detection exclusions. And there you go. You've successfully added the GamerHash app to the list of exceptions. All that's left to do now is sit back, relax, and let our app do all the work. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this guide useful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.